Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make magnifying effect in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make magnifying effect in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar type the design you are looking for. For example, Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I will go with YouTube thumbnail. You can see it here. Okay, just click here. After that, go to uploads, and if you have the image in your laptop, just click upload files, then you can upload the image from your laptop. But I can use this image here. And just resize, okay, the image. And after that, go to elements, and here use a circle frame. Just can increase the size more. And after that, shapes, and just choose a line. Okay, just move it, and then go to line style. Just increase the line. And here just make the line shorter. And after that, go to uploads, and then drag and drop the image. And here just you can increase it and just move it to this frame. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to make magnifying effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.